Hello, my name is Richard Macaulay. I'm the National Specification Manager for Brandon Medical. Today I'll be presenting design considerations for the modern operating theatre, specifically medical audio and video systems. Modern operating theatres incorporate a lot of high technology equipment. In the video world, this is endoscopes, laparoscopes, fluoroscopes, CT scanners and even X-rays. Recently, the quality of these items has been increasing. The resolutions are higher than previously used. This can cause us a problem when designing for unknown systems. During the delivery phase, there can be a considerable time lag between the sign-off of the design and the completion of the project. During this time, clients' needs can change and new equipment is released, often at a higher resolution than was previously anticipated. As the cost of this equipment reduces over time, there is a higher likelihood that clients will deploy more high-resolution equipment later on in the project's life. Typical connectivity in the operating theatre for video equipment utilises HD-SDI coaxial cables or HDMI cables. And this is fine for standard definition and high definition content. Once we move into the realm of 4K video content, as delivered by the newest medical equipment, there is a bandwidth limitation that this cabling cannot support. This causes a problem when we are designing for future use in the operating theatre. One solution to this problem is to deploy fibre optic cabling within the operating theatre. This allows us a high bandwidth path between the medical equipment and the display devices. Another benefit is that if we use network technologies with the fibre optic cabling as the backbone, we can encode and decode the content, allowing us to distribute this content in the wider scheme. Using fibre optic cabling, this allows us to plan in advance and deploy our infrastructure during the construction phase, safe in the knowledge that we have enough bandwidth within the entire system to accommodate the medical video equipment, whether it is existing or new medical equipment. Using encoders and decoders on the fibre optic network lets us maintain the highest possible quality within the OR and also affords us the opportunity to modify the content for transmission across the wider network, such as the Trust's LAN. This can be used to feed training rooms and remote observation suites. Recently, at St James's University Hospital, Leeds, in the United Kingdom, a networked medical video system was delivered to the endoscopy suite. This allowed cameras within the endoscopy rooms and the endoscope image itself to be shared across the Trust network. This content is received on a Trust laptop that is authenticated on the network and can be shared for conferences and for teaching on-site or even remotely.